Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a really interesting word. Our word of the day is assertion. It's a C1 level noun meaning a confident statement. So, what exactly is an assertion? Well, it's when you declare something firmly and with conviction, often without proof. It's not a question or a suggestion, it's a straight-up claim. For example, if you say, "The sky is blue," that's usually just a fact, but if you say, "I know for a fact that the sky will always be blue," well, that's more of an assertion, a declaration with an element of certainty. Now, let's look at some synonyms. Words that have similar meanings to assertion include declaration, pronouncement, and affirmation. For example, you might hear someone make a declaration of their love for another person, or a judge might issue a pronouncement about a case. Likewise, a person can make an affirmation about their beliefs. All of these, like assertion, involve making a statement with confidence. Moving on to antonyms, words with opposite meanings, we have words like denial, disclaimer, and refutation. For example, if someone makes an accusation, another person might offer a denial of it. A company might include a disclaimer on a product, stating they are not responsible for misuse. A scientist might offer a refutation of a previously accepted theory. These all highlight the opposite of making a confident statement. Let's talk about how you might use assertion in everyday life. You might hear someone say, "That's a bold assertion," when someone says something they find surprising or debatable. You might also use it in a sentence like, "Her assertion that she was finished was completely incorrect." We often use assertion when discussing a claim that's not necessarily backed up by evidence, or when we're emphasizing the confident way that someone is speaking. Some other examples. The lawyer made a strong assertion about her client's innocence. Or, he backed up his assertion with several facts. Or, her assertion was met with skepticism from the committee. Remember, an assertion is a confident statement, a declaration, and it's not the same as a fact or a question. So, to recap, assertion is a C1 level noun that means a confident statement. Some synonyms are declaration, pronouncement, and affirmation, while some antonyms are denial, disclaimer, and refutation. It's used in everyday language to describe a confident claim, often without backing evidence. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you learned something new about the word assertion. And now, if you enjoyed today's episode, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn English with us. And don't forget, create your own sentence using the word assertion and share it in the comments below the video. I'm really excited to read your examples.